Hello, cuties! Welcome to our Safari multiplication adventure. Get ready to learn the times table from 1 to 12, one flashcard at a time. Let's go! Here comes our first flashcard. Let's start with the number 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. 1 times 3 equal 3. 1 times 4 equal 4. 1 times 5 equal 5. 1 times 6 equal 6. 1 times 7 equal 7. 1 times 8 equal 8. 1 times 9 equal 9. 1 times 10 equal 10. 1 times 11 equal 11. 1 times 12 equal 12. Now let's move to 2. The blue card, froggy card. 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 11, 22. And 2 times 12, 24. Great job! Next is card 3, the red one, with a tiger. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 12 is 36. Now, let's move on to the next card, the orange card with an ant. Number 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40. 4 times 11, 44. And 4 times 12 is 48. Great job, you're doing awesome. Let's move to the next card. Number 5, the hash card. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 10, 50. 5 times 11, 55. 5 times 12, 60. Next card, 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 9, 54. 6 times 10, 60. 6 times 11, 66. 6 times 12, 72. Next card is 7. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 11, 77. 7 times 12, 84. Now let's move to the next card. 8 times the purple card. 8 times 1 equal 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 11, 88. 8 times 12 is 96. Now it's 9 times. You're doing awesome. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. 9 times 11, 99. 9 times 12 is 108. 108. Next is 10 times. 10 times 1 equal 10. 10 times 2, 20. 10 times 3, 30. 10 times 4, 40. 10 times 5, 50. 10 times 6, 60. 10 times 7, 70. 10 times 8, 80. 10 times 9, 90. 10 times 10, 100. 10 times 11 is 110, and 10 times 12 is 120. Awesome! Now let's move to the next card, the pink card. 11 times 1, 11. 11 times 2, 22. 11 times 3, 33. 11 times 4, 44. 11 times 5, 55. 11 times 6, 66. 11 times 7, 77. 11 times 8, 88. 11 times 9, 99. 11 times 10, 110. 11 times 11, 121. 121. 11 times 12 is 132. Finally, the 12 times, the blue card. 12 times 1 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 8, 96. 12 times 9, 108. 12 times 10, 120. 12 times 11, 132. 12 times 12 is 144. Wow! We did it! You have mastered your multiplication tables from 1 to 12. That's amazing! Keep practicing and soon you will be a multiplication expert. Thanks for joining our Safari adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.